Hey guys, welcome to Code with Pawn channel. In this video, we will see how to generate an image using OpenAI library in Python. First of all, we need to download this package from the Python packages. So here we need to search that package, and here you will be seeing the download option. As I already downloaded, that button is not showing up. Then after we need to download the API key from the OpenAI platform. So I will show you the OpenAI platform website link. So this is the link where we need to go and we need to create that API key. And after that creation of API key, we need to copy that API key and we need to embed it in the code. So this is my API key for the generation of the images which I will be using. Then after user prompt. So whatever the prompt we want to generate an image, so that one we need to mention here, so that to be so clear, so that AI can understand and reimagine and it can generate the image. So then after we need to create that image using that OpenAI library keyword. Then after we need to, in that one we need to pass the parameters. First one prompt, so whatever the prompt you want to generate, that one we need to pass it. Then after n equal to 1, that means like number of images we want to generate, that one we need to specify it. After that we need to specify the size of the image also. So so then after we will be storing the response of that image in image underscore URL, and then after you will be getting the one URL link which will be generated by the OpenAI. So if you do click on that link, it will be opening that image image which will where it will be showing. So let me open the notepad where I have stored some prompts. So let me use those prompts for generating image. So let me use the first one. We will see like what we are gonna get using that library. Will be not 100% will be getting the accurate one. We will see like how much a person will be getting. So this is the one I'm going to try for generating image. So I'm gonna pass it here. So this is the prompt I have given. Yes, Shakespeare stage play Lomish. Some detailed description I have given over here. So then after, like, we just need to run this application. Let me run it. It started running. We will see. We need to get the URL link of that image. So we will see. I think it started running. Yes, guys. So if you see, we gotten a link for that image where that image is being stored. If we go to this link, we'll be seeing that image which we have described in that prompt. Yeah, this is the image which I have described in the prompt. It's like almost like 60 to 70% accurate it got. So let me try with some more prompts. Let me use some other prompts. If you see here, let me use the second one. As it is generated using AI, we will be not sure that like we'll get a 100% accurate image which we described in the prompt. It's like based on the description which we provide in the prompt. So based on that only it will create. So what other thing we want to specify, we want, so we need to specify in detail. So that's the core thing. So let me rerun it again. Then it started running. We'll wait for the link to generate. Yes, guys. So if you see, like, we have got a link. So let me go to that link. You will see what I got over there in that link. Yes, guys. If you see here now, we got the image of a cat which I described in that prompt. If you see here, a close-up studio photographic portrait of a white cat that looks curious, backlit. Yes. So this is the description of a cat which I have given in that prompt. So it's like 92. 90% it came like that. So let me check with other prompt also. So that's the thing, like which we, if you do give the proper description of the image, it will generate based on that. If you see the previous image, I have given the prompt like given a prompt like a Shakespeare stage play, yellow mist, atmospheric set design by Michael Creed. So this sort of description I have given, it is not that much accurate we have got from the image. But if you do see this second image which we got, here we have explained little detailed way. So that's why we got somewhat like accurate compared to the previous image. So that's the thing. So we need to specify the description so that AI can understand, and it can reimagine that the thing, and it can generate the image based on that. So that's the key point. So let me use some more prompts for generating image. I will use something like third one. I will use I think this is some more detailed described. Let me code. Yeah. So here I have just described about some sunset and pink hues in the sky, somewhat little depth. So we will see, we will run the program and we will see what we are going to get. Yeah, we got the link. Let me go to that link. We will see what we got the image. Yes, like this also looks good. Say actually like we are given the description like generate a high resolution image of a serene lakeside sunset with vibrant orange and pink hues in the sky. Some sort of description we have given. If we see the image also, we have that sort of description in the image. So that sort of depth also there in that image. So yeah, there these compared to this, the first one, like these both two images we have got somewhat most accurate images. So let me try with the another prompt. Let me see. Let me try with this one. The thing is that like if you want to generate any image, like the AI is reimagining the thing whichever we described in the prompt. So it's so like so much having deep learning in the code, so much lot of imagination will be there. So for that one to be get proper images, we need to describe it properly. We are not sure that we will get the proper image which we expect. But the thing is that like we need to give the proper description. Yeah, we got the link. Let me go to the link. This guys, see if you see, we have got the proper image which we have described in the prompt. If you see the prompt, I have said like generate a lifelike image of a golden retriever dog sitting in the sunlit garden. The dog should have a friendly expression with its tongue slightly out and its tail wagging. Capture the details of its fur. Something like detailed description I have given. If you see the image, we have got around 95 to 100% sort of accurate image we have got. So this is it guys, like this is the thing we need to mention in that prompt. we want the crystal clear image which we are expecting. So that is the key point which I'm keep on telling. So that's the thing. So using OpenAI library, we have generated the images using prompts. If you guys missed out my last videos, please do check it out in the channel, and please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon for the notification. Thank you all.